All right, guys, what is going on? Good morning, good afternoon, wherever you are. What I want to briefly mention today is a tip about your immune system. And if you haven't heard of this particular breathing method, yes, it's just your breath. I would urge you to do just a little bit of research and just decide for yourself if this is something you want to try. Now, most of you, or maybe some of you, have heard of this gentleman named Wim Hof, and he has this breathing technique called the Wim Hof method. But the breathing itself has, a similar breathing method has been around for ages, like Eastern medicine. They've been ahead of us when it comes to certain, let's just call it, home remedies, right? But this breathing technique is taking a lot of deep breaths in, actively out, and getting your oxygen up, your pH level up, and tapping into your actual nervous system and being able to almost control it. It's a big boost to your immune system. You'll actually be able to hold your breath. After you exhale, you'll be able to hold your breath for quite a bit. I was able to go for about 2 minutes. That's after exhaling, not inhale, but exhale, right? So it's kind of crazy when you think about it. And some of you remember in the fall, I was in the hot tub. I put a video up. I was in the hot tub and I went into the snow and I made snow angels. That was mostly because of the breathing technique, and I was able to not really control my body, but I was able to withstand the pain, if you will. And I'd say cold showers every day. It's a shock to your system. It's actually pretty good for you. Both hot and cold are good, right? So do research on both. But the reason as to why I'm mentioning this now is, like what's going on right now in the world. And stress and anxiety is up. You might as well take hold of your mind and body and your immune system and do something about it and take care of it, right? So this is all backed up by science, by the way. So you can tell this guy's had scientists poke stuff within him and see if he can fight it off, and he was able to. So look it up. Don't take my word for it. I'm just giving you some information that's out there, and if you haven't heard of it, great. Now you know something, and you can look it up and see what it is. But that's what I want to share with you guys. There's a lot of things at our disposal, and we have more power than we actually realize. So that's what I wanted to share. Okay, so take charge of your body, your breathing, your mind, and do the best as you can to survive, but also to thrive. All right, talk to you guys soon.